This is where the journey of robotic meat production begins, inside controlled automated livestock systems. Each animal is tracked in real time for health, safety, and production quality. Smart systems ensure every animal follows the correct production pathway. Once ready, livestock is carefully transferred toward processing facilities. From the farm, the journey continues toward advanced robotic processing facilities. The livestock begins its controlled journey through a fully monitored transport network.
Every vehicle is tracked in real time for precision coordination and safety.
Only verified transport units are allowed entry into the processing zone. Each load is precisely measured before entering the processing pipeline. Smart docking systems ensure flawless alignment for safe unloading. From transport, the system flows seamlessly into controlled factory entry processing. This is the core of robotic meat processing, where industrial precision begins.
Every entry is controlled through fully automated verification systems.
Sanitization ensures strict hygiene before processing begins. Inside, the system transitions into synchronized unloading operations. Precision locking ensures complete stability during unloading.
Now the raw material enters the structured processing environment.
The process begins with controlled industrial cleaning systems. Advanced spray systems ensure uniform sanitation across every surface. High-velocity air systems prepare the flow for automated sorting.
Smart systems classify each unit for precise processing pathways.
Every unit is verified through automated health scanning systems. With sorting complete, the system advances toward core processing.
Now the system enters the core transformation zone of the factory.
Fully automated systems take control of the production flow. Precision machines handle every stage with controlled industrial accuracy.
Thermal systems stabilize the material through controlled processing cycles.
Rapid cooling ensures structural stability for the next stage.
The processed output now moves toward advanced refinement systems.
Precision forming systems ensure consistent industrial uniformity.
The system now enters the main transformation stage of production. Each product is digitally traced through advanced coding systems. Every unit passes strict automated verification before advancement.
The production flow advances into high-density robotic automation systems.
Here, thousands of movements are controlled in perfect synchronization.
Artificial intelligence ensures flawless sorting accuracy at industrial scale.
Every conveyor line is synchronized into one unified production system.
Every unit is verified through advanced robotic scanning systems.
Packaging is reinforced for maximum industrial durability. The system now advances toward precision finishing and refinement.
Now the system enters its final precision finishing stage.
Even the smallest imperfections are corrected automatically.
Seals are reinforced for maximum industrial reliability.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
The final cleaning ensures absolute production purity.
Every unit is re-verified for absolute consistency.
Now the system moves into strict quality verification stage. Every product enters the most critical stage, quality assurance.
Advanced imaging ensures complete structural integrity.
Safety systems verify every unit meets strict hygiene standards. Packaging strength is tested under controlled industrial pressure.
Only fully compliant products advance to final packaging.
With full approval, the batch is cleared for final packaging. Now the approved products enter their final packaging stage.
Every unit is packed with precision for global distribution. The transcription for the provided inputs is: robots stack and secure every shipment with absolute accuracy.
Every product is stored under controlled industrial conditions.
From storage, the final products are prepared for global delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce robotic meat from start to finish.